Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms attributes. And right now, I'm going to discuss about the HTML form autocomplete attribute. The autocomplete attribute specifies whether a form should have autocomplete on or off. The autocomplete is on. When the autocomplete is on, the browser automatically completes values based on values that the user has entered before. So definitely when it's off, it did opposite. A form with autocomplete on is what we are seeing right here. So I'm going to show you how this works. Back to our document. We are having this in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got it, you can check our previous tutorial. Let me check. As you can see, let's say we want to write something now. Let's say we want to write anwar. As you can see, this is showing anwar some stuff we have wrote before in our previous tutorial. So we don't want that to happen. That's when the autocomplete happens. Definitely the autocomplete status is what? Default is autocomplete on. So let's give it off. Let's now give our form attribute. Inside our form attribute, we specify autocomplete. After that, we give the autocomplete value, which is the value of off. Now let's reload the value of. Let's reload our document now. When we reload our document, we write anwar. Can you see? We are not seeing anwar. Let's write ayofe also. Can you see? But let's say we want to see the previous value we have been input. Maybe we are having something like that before. Let's make our autocomplete on. Let's place it. Let's make it on. Let's now reload and write something. Let's write anwar. Can you see? Anwar, and everything we have been writing so far is showing at the bottom right here. Our autocomplete is now working perfectly. So anytime you want to use autocomplete, make sure you use this autocomplete is equal to on or off. So that is the benefit of using autocomplete. So the autocomplete attribute, I think we are done for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day and thank you so much. Make sure you practice make perfect. Check our playlist, our HTML forms playlist, to get all this perfect something you need to know about